What is up, guys? It is Santis Cars and Gaming here, back into another video. And today I'm going to show you step by step how to make any car 1600 horsepower completely for free. So we're going to use this Crown Mitsubishi Lancer Evo as our example. So here it is. So we're going to go for drive, car upgrade. We're going to go tuning, right? Of course. So I've already bought these, but if you want to buy these completely for free, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go click on the actual thing and then go to engine and buy it. So if you're buying the engine, you're gonna want to go there, so to buy, and then to other, and then buy it, so it's free. So I already bought the VTOL, so I'm just gonna set it. So there you go, now it's 612 horsepower. Yeah. So we're gonna now buy these two, because we're gonna need them. So we're gonna buy them, and to make it for free, you're gonna go to engine, buy, do not set yet, you're gonna buy the twin turbo too. So you're gonna go to engine again, and buy. So basically, if you're buying something from the engine, go to other, and then buy it. Or the other way around. So we're gonna click on the twin turbo, and then we're gonna do like if you were buying it, but we're gonna set it in engine. So set it in engine, and the triple turbo we're gonna set right here. Now honestly, it doesn't matter for the triple turbo, but right here, just set that. And twin turbo engine, set. So it does not lower the horsepower for some reason, so that's a glitch. So it's gonna just basically give us the opportunity to make our car 1600 horsepower for free. So we're just gonna repeatedly keep doing that process until we are done. So we're at 843 right now. It's 913. So remember, twin turbo engine and then set, so it doesn't actually take away the horsepower. So we're gonna keep doing that. And after you're done, you can do wheels and intercooler and all of that stuff, but so yeah, it doesn't take more than 3 minutes, so it should not be a hard process, and it's free. So as you can tell, I still have 51k since the start. So it's a really cool and helpful glitch, if I'm honest with you. So you can do this with any car, except with the smart car. I wouldn't recommend actually making the smart car 1600 horsepower, because there's a glitch where it goes 7,000 kilometers, but the fuel runs out immediately. So look, 1599, that's kind of annoying. Well, we'll just do it one more time. So yeah, don't do it with the smart car unless you want to try it. Just car runs out of fuel immediately after you accelerate it. So you can also get any of these things for free as long as you go and buy them at engine. So first, just to do this quicker, I'm going to buy them all and then set them. So that adds horsepower too, but I just did it with the turbos. So yeah, like I was saying, I wouldn't recommend really doing it with a smart car. And I'm not gonna tune it right now, just so I don't waste your time or anything. So yeah, you want to go to the item, then engine, and then buy it there. The setting doesn't really matter where you do it, except the twin turbo, you gotta set it in it too. So I don't know why the engine is not showing it, but oh, there it is. So there you go, we got everything bought, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so we're just gonna set all of this. 1.5, exhaust, chip tuning, brakes, yeah, definitely want low. Fast gearbox, intercooler, And there you go. Oh, whoa, never mind. We still need these socks or an exhaust shot. Exhaust shot just it spits flames. So yeah, there it is, and we got now our car 1600 horsepower completely for free. And if you want to see this, if you go to new cars and you want to buy the same car, I'm not exactly sure where it is, but the starting horsepower of this car I think was two something. But now let's test it out. So yeah, completely for free, doesn't really matter if you join to multiplayer. There's my ID, 524984 if you want to add me. So yeah, there you go. And you want to just go in. People might ask me since it is a Chrome car, but here you'll see that the car is 1600 horsepower and it goes really fast. So it shall not be hard work for it to go at least 400 kilometers. This car can, I'm pretty sure, easily get to 400 kilometers. So we're gonna test that in like the speedway that there is in the new update, like just a straight road there is in the new update. So let's just wait till the game connects us. So we're gonna go and test this out. Game is really laggy, but okay, let's just test it out in this highway. Okay, and let's go. Okay, we're gonna take out that bicycle. There you go. See, it's already at 200. 300. There's gonna be a glitch at the end. I'm gonna go through it. 400, come on, hit 400. Game's living now. 400, there you go. 412, refuel car, of course. And there you go. That's where I glitched in. So, if I'm right, I think I saw 412. And that's not the highest speed, because I just went in the highway. So there it is, ads, ignore that. Just ignore it, it always does that. So here it is. Yeah, and that's kinda it. Oops, I did not mean to do it. And that's not it, but it's fine. And so this car is really quick. Very nice to drive on 16. Just horsepower. Oh, engine damaged. Whatever. But yeah, there it is. How to make a 1600 horsepower car completely for free, step by step. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like. So yeah, leave a like definitely for this video. And if this was helpful, comment down below. And yeah, thank you guys much for watching. I will be making more car parking videos since I guess I like car parking. Oh, that got hit me. So yeah, you guys go. Have a good day, and I'll catch you later. Goodbye.